Hello guys, here we have another property tour, and today we are in Serenity Place, built by Harmony Homes. Serenity Place homes range from 3 to 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, which is in the back of this townhouse. And it is built in the master plan of Cadence with plenty of amenities such as Olympic-sized pool, splash pads, parks, playgrounds, dog parks, basketball courts, and much more. Also, the HOA for this community is $247 per quarter. No sids and lids. Also, guys, in this community, something pretty cool. So if you're looking to move into a community and you're a Pokemon fanatic, the streets in this community you have such as Snorlax, Squirtle, Charmander, Jigglypuff, which is the main street, and also a Charizard. So if you're a fan of Pokemon, definitely check out these townhomes. And the first one that we are going to be previewing is unit number B. This one is 1,376 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath. Let's go inside and check it out. And starting price for this one, base price is $355,990, guys. Does not include the upgrades or lot premium. On average, I would say add about easy 8 to 10 grand to that. So as soon as you come in, pretty open floor plan, has everything in sight. So you have your living room area on this side. Then here to my left, we have the dining room area. And we have the kitchen. So we've got about 8x4 island, quartz countertop. What do you guys think, guys? So you do have your dishwasher, your stainless steel undermount sink. Let me get a view from this side, what you would see washing dishes. Living room, dining room. That's your stove, microwave. What do you guys think of this color cabinets? Something you like? You like this color, the whites? You have a backsplash on this one, tile, which is not included in the standard. Refrigerator, like I mentioned in the previous home, not included. So over here, you have your pantry. You have your bathroom, half bathroom downstairs. You have your garage. It's locked though, we can't access it. Now let's go upstairs. Also, if you're enjoying these home tours, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. That way you don't miss any of my upcoming home tours. So as soon as you come up, this is what you see. So got a bedroom over there, the primary. Then to this side you got 2 of the bedrooms, which is nice because it separates from the primary to the rest of the bedrooms. So we'll start here off to the right first. You got your laundry room. And on standard, you will get the tile flooring on all the wet areas. Okay. Look at bedroom number 1. You also do have those 2 doors as well. What do you guys think? Okay. Let's go to bedroom number 2. And these rooms are pretty similar in size. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of these rooms? Too big, too small? Then we have here the hallway full bathroom. It only has a single sink. You do have the tile flooring. Your prefab tub stand-up shower. And then your toilet. Also, guys, I'd like to remind you that we receive calls, texts, email, everyday people just like you looking to make the move to Las Vegas. So whether it's 7 days, 3 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, schedule a Zoom call. And I would love to help you make that smooth move to Las Vegas. Here we got the primary bedroom. Very spacious. Only has 1 window in here. So that's pretty much the only window that's going to bring in some natural lighting. Then here to the right, we have a walk-in closet. Mid-size. And then the primary bathroom. You got 2 sinks. Here you got the 24 by 24 ceramic tile. You do have a window here. This is facing the front of the house. Then you have your shower area. So you have your prefab stand-up shower. It does have 2 little benches, one there, one over there. And you got your toilet. So a quick recap on this one. This is Unit B. Price from $355,990. 1,376 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Now let's go to unit number A, which is a smaller one out of the 3. Let's go. Also, I forgot to mention, but these do come with a small little courtyard entrance. Check this out, guys. Really nice to come out here, relax, read a book, have a drink. All right, let's go check out Unit A. So this is the smaller one of all 3 of them. It's only 1,206 square feet. Starting base price is $331,990. Base price, guys. Kind of, I would say at about, like I mentioned, 8 to 10 grand on upgrades on what we are seeing on average. Let's go. So as soon as you come in, also has a nice little courtyard to relax. Also, you know, you could close this gate right here, close it off. Have a drink, read a book, just relax. So let's check it out inside. So as soon as you come in, you see the living room. The first thing I did notice is this one does not have a dining room area. Like I did mention, this is the smaller one out of the 3. So you do have the white cabinets on this one. This one does definitely have the smaller island out of the three. It's probably what, about a 5x4 island, quartz countertop. Could fit about 3 people. I would say 2 comfortably. You got your refrigerator, which is not included. You got your stove with the oven, microwave, your dual stainless undermount sink, which is on this side, not on the island like the other models. So you'll be washing dishes on this side. You got your dishwasher. And if you're standing here on this side of the island, this is the view you would have. What are your guys' thoughts on this one, guys? Very, very affordable pricing compared to the prices that we are seeing here in Las Vegas and the Henderson area. So that door right there is to the garage. Currently closed, locked off. Then we come here, we have your pantry. Then off here to the right, half bathroom downstairs. What do you guys think so far of this one? Let me know in the comments below. Definitely love to hear your thoughts. And also if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And also I'm always open to suggestions on any videos you guys would like to see. If it's anything about Las Vegas, or if you're interested in resale homes, we can also do home tours on that. Also, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming home tour videos. Okay, so come upstairs, straight shot, come here. First thing you see is this wall. But then you come here to the right, you have some storage cabinets there. And here's the primary bedroom on this side. And the other 2 bedrooms on this side. Since we're right here, let's check out this primary bedroom. And this one does not have a walk-in closet. You'll just have your standard sliding door closet. Still has plenty of storage. So if you close it up, all of them, you still have 3 doors. So check it out. You can't slide it this way. Okay, that's a little weird. I don't know why it has this right here to slide it, but then once you close it, it hides behind. So I think it should be on this side, in my opinion. So you go right here and it slides open. But it depends how you use it, I guess. You might be opening from that side. Okay, so you do have some storage there. And over here. Okay. What are you guys' thoughts on this? Would you rather prefer a walk-in closet? Are you guys okay with that? Let me know. Let's check out the primary bath. It does have dual sink, so it has one on this side and on this side. Very well laid out. You got your laminate vinyl flooring. Got your prefab stand-up shower and toilet. So at least you could close this door. You have your privacy. Pretty cool. All right, let's check out the rest of the bedrooms. Also, guys, a quick reminder, if you're looking to buy a new construction home, it costs nothing for you to be represented by a realtor. So something that you're looking to purchase, definitely let me know. I'd love the opportunity to help you purchase your home. We got the laundry room area. We don't have necessarily a room to walk into, but do have these nice doors to keep it very nice and flush. Okay, we'll just start going to the right. So we'll go to the bedroom, the second bedroom. So this is facing the back, which is on this side. You have your garage on this side, your 2-car garage. Okay. Here's the third bedroom. Very mid-size rooms. Not too small, not too big. And keep in mind, this is a townhome. So here we have a full bath. It only has a single sink, toilet, and your prefab stand-up shower. Well, let me know your thoughts below. Which one would you prefer? Unit A, Unit B? A quick recap, you know, they do range from $331,990 to up to $366,990 base price, guys. And they are from 3 to 4 bedroom. Any questions? Let me know in the comments below, or feel free to reach out.